Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened the drawing, so start by enabling Lineweight display in the status bar. This shows changes live. Next, select the layer you want to modify in Layer Properties and note its current line weight and color so you keep visual consistency. Once done, confirm the drawing units and annotation scale because line weight appearance depends on those values. Making that match your plotting scale avoids surprises later. You'll now change line weight by selecting objects or the entire layer and opening the Properties palette. Pick a value like 0. 5 mm to apply. If you want consistency across drawings, change the layer's line weight. For exceptions, use object-level overrides. Also adjust the global line weight scale so what you see on screen matches plotted thickness, and then regenerate the drawing. This step ensures the visual thickness reflects the numeric value rather than the default display. To finish, run a plot preview to confirm printed line weights and check any plot style table that maps colors to pen widths so the plotter interprets your settings. Save the drawing and freeze or lock layers you don't want changed. If line weights still don't show, enable line weight display, type region to refresh, and double-check plot scale plus any pen or CTB assignments. That single troubleshooting step fixes most visibility and printing mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.